Always ensure before your lawyer files any document in court, be it any substantial pleading, any written submissions, anything at all which he prints, especially when he gets your signatures on a particular document and files in the court. Always ensure that you have a look, that you have access to look at the final product which is being filed before the court. Because not so much in written submissions, which is being done in the middle of proceedings, very often the lawyer will, as a matter of convenience, ease across this country, which is a very bad thing that should be highly deprecated, is that the lawyer will get the client's signature on the affidavit and the wakalatnama of the pleading, the petition, the appeal, whatever it is which is filed. The lawyer says you only need to put in your signatures on the affidavit and the wakalatnama, and that is enough. And because of that, a lot of times, you put faith in a lawyer, you hope that good things will come out of this engagement with this lawyer and you will get justice. But I say, neither with me nor with anybody else should you ever completely entrust the fate of your case to a lawyer and not follow up with that lawyer, and not maybe keep that lawyer accountable in terms of what that lawyer has filed. So as a matter of practice, you need to ensure, every lawyer should do this, but if your lawyer isn't doing this, then you need to ensure that anything that they have took your signatures for, perhaps you insist that the signatures be obtained on the final document along with the supporting documents, everything above and below. Or you at least ensure that if you've already given your signatures for whatever reason, at least the final thing which is being filed in the court should be shown to you in entirety from the first page to the last wakalatnama page. And if you don't, you might suffer the consequences. Especially I see this happening with appeals or documents which are to be filed in other cities and other states. The lawyer sends you the affidavit and the wakalatnama and quickly insists that you print out, sign, attest, and send across those documents. And in the meanwhile, he's preparing the rest of the petition. Now, a couple of days later, you will find out from your lawyer that your petition, your appeal, your whatever it is, has been dismissed by the court, or this particular thing was lacking. And you realize that something very basic, which maybe you told your lawyer on maybe once or two or maybe three occasions, the lawyer did not put that into the petition because of lethargy, because of complacency, or just because the lawyer forgot. And because of that, there is always a small possibility that, or it's just sheer incompetence, right? So because of that, there is always this possibility that you are going blind into something which you should absolutely not do. Always get a look at the entire petition, the index. If there are any documents that you think might be important, run it by the lawyer and ensure that the job is well done before it is filed. On a lot of occasions, I've seen people suffer this. They say that my lawyer asked me to sign these documents, and once the thing is filed in the court and the outcome comes, and then you ask for the entire file from the lawyer, and when the lawyer sends across those documents, then you realize that some things which could have and should have definitely been done were not done. So ensure, have a little bit of accountability going on with your lawyer. And even for the lawyers watching this, there is the other aspect of you being blamed by your client because of the fact that you forgot ABC thing. And to prevent that, I say that it is still a good practice that you show every single thing that is being filed just prior to the filing to the client. That ensures transparency, and on a lot of occasions I've seen it benefit because the client catches something that would perhaps be missed out by us. Something to remember.